the processes of gear manufacturing. The FTC-180 is the benchmark machine when it comes to turning of gears and gearbox components. This machine has been specifically designed for high performance and the environmentally friendly dry machining of chucked parts. Its lasting precision in the mu range combined with maximum tool life is resulting in cost per part savings of up to 50%. The FELSOMAT hobbing machine series are the world's most productive gear hobbing machines with a chip-to-chip time of less than 1 second, meaning that all secondary functions are included, such as chamfering and deburring, and all this without the need of reclamping the components. The chamfer skiving process is developed and patented by FELSOMAT, and it significantly increases the chamfer quality by separately controlled chamfer angles. What can be seen here, due to the tool's cutting angle, components with otherwise interfering contours can also be machined. Flexible laser welder. The FLW series includes numerous models. The ideal solution depends on whether flexibility or productivity are more in the focus. The machine concept is developed to rotationally symmetrical components such as gear shift wheels, differentials, planetary carriers, clutches, and torque converters. As a member of the Reishauer Group, we seamlessly integrate the gear grinding technology of the Swiss innovation leader into our automation projects and the production cockpit. The gear grinding machines from Reishauer are leading in the grinding process and an integral part of our turnkey projects.